Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate by hand, starting with the very first step. First, gather your high-quality fermented and dried cocoa beans. Roasting is crucial. It develops the rich chocolate flavor, reduces moisture content, and makes the outer shells brittle for easy removal. You'll want to roast your beans in an oven at about 250 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, ensuring an even roast. Once your cocoa beans are perfectly roasted and cooled, it's time for cracking and winnowing. Cracking involves breaking the beans to free the inner cocoa nibs from their papery outer shells. Then, winnowing separates these lighter husks from the heavier, edible nibs using airflow. For a home setup, you can place cracked beans in a bowl and use a hairdryer on a low setting to gently blow away the husks, leaving behind your precious cocoa nibs. Now let's transform those nibs into chocolate liquor. You'll need to grind the cocoa nibs into a fine, smooth paste. This paste, known as chocolate liquor, contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Next comes conching, a vital step that involves heating and agitating the chocolate. This process refines the texture, reduces any lingering acidity, and develops the complex flavors, often taking several hours for a truly smooth result. The final steps are tempering and molding. Tempering is essential for achieving that beautiful shine and satisfying snap in your finished chocolate. For dark chocolate, melt it to about 113 degrees Fahrenheit, cool it to around 80 degrees, and then gently reheat to 88 degrees. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your chosen molds, tap them gently to release air bubbles, and let them set until firm. Then, enjoy your homemade chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.